Hey everyone, so we've got our star wheel and I'm going to explain how this is used. You can see at the top, you've got your dates. You got all of March there, April, May, and so forth. And then in the black, you've got your times. So we've got midnight, 11 p.m., 10 p.m. There is standard time and daylight savings time. You can just ignore daylight savings time. We'll stick with standard time. And so because these are two pieces, you can change how the time and the dates line up. So as you turn the piece, it sort of seems like the date is moving, but you need to kind of move your eyes with that date. So I'm setting this for today. Today is March 24th. So right about there is March 24th. And the place where we're looking right now is midnight. So if I go like this, then March 24th now is sitting right about 10 p.m. All right, so 10 p.m. March 24th would be right about there. And if I back this up, the oval shape right here is what you would see in the sky. And so you can see as your time turns, so do the stars turn. All right, and so by choosing the date and time that you're looking at, this tells you which stars are where. The other thing to notice is that you have compass directions, which sort of seem backwards. You've got north, south, but then you've got west and you've got east. So those compass directions are a little bit backwards from a map, but it seems as if it fits if you are using this while looking up at the sky. So think about that. If you're looking up at the sky, I'm going to tilt this up now. So now I'm looking up at the stars. North is behind me in that direction, and south would be sort of in front of me. And if that's the way you're facing, west is to your right, east is to your left. All right? So those are some ways to think about that. If you do take this outside, it's good to physically move yourself to think about where stars would be. All right? One thing that we talk about is the zenith. On here, the zenith is directly right in the middle. You make it cross just like that. The zenith is right there. So that is looking directly up in the sky. Straight above you is the zenith. All right? As always, questions, send me an email.